Until the end of this video, I will reveal the best recipe for a drink that will shrink your prostate for sure. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, commonly known as an enlarged prostate. This condition affects millions of men worldwide. Today we're going to understand BPH, how it affects men's lives, and how we can solve this problem naturally, without the need for medication or surgical intervention.
What does hyperplasia mean? It means enlargement. Okay, so this BPH problem is basically an enlarged prostate. Imagine your prostate as a small, walnut-sized gland located just below the bladder. Its primary role is to produce fluid that nourishes and transports sperm. As men age, it's common for the prostate to grow larger. For some, this growth can lead to BPH. This condition is not cancerous and doesn't increase the risk of prostate cancer, but it can cause some uncomfortable symptoms.
These symptoms include difficulty starting urination, a weak urine stream, the feeling that the bladder is not completely empty, and frequent urination, especially at night. These symptoms can be frustrating and disruptive. Imagine standing at the toilet, feeling the urge to go but struggling to start. The stream is weak, and you wonder if you'll ever feel relief. You finish, only to sense that your bladder isn't completely empty. As night falls, you hope for a good night's sleep, but instead you're up again and again heading to the bathroom. It's exhausting and disheartening, but know that you're not alone. Many men face these challenges, and there is hope.
Only you have the power to manage this naturally. The key is understanding that estrogen, a hormone in both men and women, can enlarge the prostate. This estrogen is produced from testosterone with the help of an enzyme called aromatase. As men age, their estrogen levels increase. This happens because testosterone converts to estrogen with the help of this enzyme. Excess estrogen can cause the prostate to enlarge, leading to those frustrating symptoms of BPH. This enzyme, aromatase, increases with age, body fat, insulin, and even alcohol consumption. But here's the good news. By understanding this process, we can take steps to control it. Stay tuned to learn how to inhibit aromatase and support a healthy prostate with simple, natural antidotes.
Let's explore the power of nature's best foods to help your prostate stay balanced. Cruciferous vegetables like kale, broccoli, and cabbage are your allies in this fight. These veggies are packed with compounds that naturally inhibit aromatase, helping to keep your estrogen levels in check. Next up, white button mushrooms. When sautéed, they become a tasty way to block aromatase and reduce estrogen. Make them a regular part of your meals for a delicious and healthy boost. And make sure you sauté them, don't eat them raw because you don't get the effect. Don't forget about flaxseed. While some worry it might increase estrogen, studies show it actually helps balance hormones. If you're unsure, you can skip it, but it's a beneficial addition for many. And let's not overlook green tea. This drink is not only soothing, but also effective in managing aromatase activity. Make it a daily habit for an easy, natural way to support your prostate health. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're taking powerful steps toward better health. Did you know lemon peels pack a punch? They're not just for flavor. They're loaded with stuff that can help your prostate and your whole body. Lemon peels have 5 times more nutrition than the juice itself. They are beneficial for prostate health primarily because they contain compounds that inhibit the enzyme aromatase. As we know, aromatase is responsible for converting testosterone into estrogen, and excess estrogen can contribute to prostate enlargement. By reducing aromatase activity, lemon peels help lower estrogen levels, potentially shrinking the prostate and alleviating symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Additionally, lemon peels are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. This can further support prostate health by reducing damage to cells and promoting overall well-being. The high nutrient content in lemon peels makes them a powerful natural remedy for maintaining a healthy prostate. Here's a fun way to get all those benefits. Grab a whole lemon, toss it in your blender with a glass of water and blend until it's smooth and creamy. About 30 seconds should do it. You can add a few drops of liquid stevia to sweeten it up, or toss in half a cup of blueberries for extra prostate support. Blueberries are beneficial for prostate health due to their rich antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. These antioxidants can improve overall cellular health and potentially protect against conditions like prostate enlargement and cancer. Additionally, blueberries contain vitamins and minerals that support the immune system and overall well-being. Their low glycemic index also helps in managing insulin levels, which can indirectly benefit prostate health. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is a delicious way to support a healthy prostate and overall health. Blend it all together and voila, you've got yourself a tasty shake. The key here is the lemon peel, which helps reduce estrogen and keeps your testosterone levels in check. Cool, right?
Ralph, one friend of mine, attests to experiencing dramatic improvements after 7 days of doing so. It has become an ingrained daily routine for him for the rest of his life. He uses half a lemon and includes the seeds, sprinkling 1/3 packet of stevia. Tell me in the comments if you already knew this magical drink or if you are going to start drinking it from now on.
So, if you really want to maintain a healthy prostate, I highly recommend introducing supplementation into your daily routine. Prostadine is a unique supplement designed specifically to support prostate health. Prostadine helps address common prostate issues such as inflammation, poor urinary flow, and hormonal imbalances. The ingredients in Prostadine are known for their ability to repair prostate cells, maintain healthy urinary function, and even support healthy testosterone levels. It's a natural and effective way to promote long-term prostate health. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine, especially when paired with these beneficial lemon drink. Click the link in the fixed comment below to get started and order your supply of Prostadine today. If you're new here, welcome to Health is Natural. We believe in the power of nature and the wisdom of simplicity. Our videos offer small changes that can make a big difference in your life. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Stay healthy, stay natural, and see you in the next video, my friend.